Ready to turn your passion for YouTube into a thriving business? Discover how to master YouTube automation in 2024 and unlock the secrets to scaling effortlessly and driving unprecedented growth. Welcome back. Today we are exploring how to create a successful YouTube automation business in 2024. We'll cover essential tools, strategies, and tips to streamline your workflow and scale your channel effectively. Let's dive in and get you onto the path to YouTube success. Creating a successful YouTube automation business in 2024 involves leveraging technology to streamline your content creation, management, and growth processes. Here's a detailed guide to help you set up and scale an effective YouTube automation business. Number 8. Understand the basics of YouTube automation. YouTube automation involves leveraging technology and software tools to streamline and enhance the management of YouTube channels and content creation processes. This practice can encompass a wide range of activities, from scheduling and publishing videos to optimizing SEO and engaging with viewers. Fundamentally, YouTube automation uses tools and algorithms to manage tedious activities, freeing up artists to concentrate more on the strategy and quality of their material. For example, automation can schedule video uploads at optimal times, ensuring content reaches the audience when they're most active. It can also assist in keyword research and tagging by analyzing trends and suggesting relevant terms to boost search visibility. Additionally, automated analytics tool provides insights into viewer behavior, engagement metrics, and channel performance, helping creators make data-driven choices. Social media integration and comment management tools can automatically respond to comments or share videos across platforms, enhancing audience interaction and channel growth. While automation offers significant efficiency benefits, it must be balanced with a human touch to maintain genuine engagement and avoid potential pitfalls such as over-reliance on algorithms, which might lead to generic or disengaging content. Overall, YouTube automation, when used effectively, can significantly streamline workflows and amplify a channel's reach and impact. Number 7. Develop a strategic plan. Defining your niche and understanding your target audience is crucial for effective YouTube automation. By pinpointing a specific niche, you can tailor your content to meet the unique needs and preferences of a distinct group of viewers. This focus allows you to create highly relevant content that resonates with your audience, thereby enhancing engagement and building a loyal subscriber base. Additionally, setting clear, measurable goals is essential for guiding your automation strategies. Objectives such as increasing subscriber count, boosting engagement rates, or driving revenue should be well defined to ensure your automation efforts are aligned with your overall vision. These goals not only provide direction, but also enable you to track progress and measure success, allowing you to adjust your strategies as needed for optimal results. By combining a deep understanding of your niche with targeted goals, you can leverage automation tools more effectively to enhance your channel's performance and achieve your desired outcomes. Number 6. Automate content creation and management. In the realm of video planning and scripting, leveraging AI-powered tools such as ChatGPT can greatly enhance your efficiency and creativity. These advanced writing assistants can generate detailed video scripts and suggest content ideas tailored to trending topics and specific audience interest. By analyzing current trends and viewer preferences, these tools help ensure that your content is both timely and engaging, addressing the need of your target demographic. For video production, incorporating AI-driven editing software can further streamline the process. Such software automates complex tasks like cutting footage, applying transitions, and adding visual effects, which not only speeds up the editing workflow but also ensures a consistent and professional quality finish. This automation allows you to focus more on creative aspects while maintaining high standards in video production, ultimately saving time and enhancing the overall viewer experience. Number 5. Optimize SEO and discoverability. For effective keyword research, utilizing SEO tools is essential to identify relevant keywords and phrases that resonate with your target audience. These tools help automate the process of tracking and updating keywords, ensuring that your video titles, descriptions, and tags remain aligned with the latest trends and search behaviors. This continual adjustment helps improve your content's visibility and relevance in search results. Automation tools can streamline the management of metadata elements, such as titles, descriptions, and tags, by consistently optimizing these components based on real-time data and SEO best practices. By automating metadata updates, you can ensure that your content is always optimized for search engines, enhancing its discoverability and engagement potential. This approach not only saves time, but also ensures that your videos are consistently positioned to reach a wider audience. Number 4. Streamline audience engagement. To effectively manage comment moderation, employing automated tools is crucial for filtering out spam and streamlining interactions. These tools help maintain a positive community environment by automatically identifying and removing inappropriate content without the constant need to manually sift through the comments. Additionally, using AI chatbots can enhance viewer satisfaction by delivering immediate, personalized responses to frequently asked questions or common comments. These chatbots are programmed to understand and respond to user inquiries with tailored messages, which not only improves the engagement but also ensures that viewers receive timely and relevant feedback. This approach not only boosts overall satisfaction but also supports a more interactive and responsive community, contributing to a more dynamic and engaging channel experience. Number 3. Monitor performance and adjust strategies. To effectively monitor your channel's performance, leverage YouTube Analytics along with third-party tools to track essential metrics like watch time, engagement rates, and subscriber growth. By automating performance reports, you can regularly receive detailed insights into these metrics, enabling you to review and refine your strategies with greater efficiency. This approach ensures that you stay informed about your channel's progress and can make data-driven decisions to enhance its performance. Additionally, implementing automated A/B testing can significantly improve your content strategy. To find out which components resonate most with your audience, test various thumbnails, titles, and content formats. By analyzing the results of these tests, you gain valuable insights into viewer preferences and behaviors, allowing you to continuously optimize and adapt your content for maximum impact and engagement. Number 2. Expand and scale your business. As your business scales, it's beneficial to outsource tasks like video editing, graphic design, and social media management. This delegation allows you to concentrate on strategic growth and higher-level decision-making. Additionally, forming strategic partnerships with influencers, fellow content creators, or brands can significantly broaden your reach and introduce your content to new audiences. Utilizing automated outreach tools can streamline the management of these collaborations, ensuring efficient communication and coordination. This approach not only enhances your ability to expand your network, but also optimizes your resources for continued growth and success. Number 1. Stay updated and adapt. Stay vigilant about changes to YouTube's algorithm and adjust your strategies as needed. Utilizing automation tools can help you monitor these algorithm updates and adapt your content and SEO practices in order to maintain optimal performance. Additionally, it's important to keep abreast of emerging industry trends, such as new video formats or interactive content. By incorporating these trends into your automation strategy, you can ensure that your content remains relevant and innovative, keeping your channel at the forefront of industry developments. Building a successful YouTube automation business in 2024 involves leveraging technology to streamline your content creation, management, and growth processes. By implementing effective automation tools and strategies, you can enhance efficiency, maintain high-quality content, and achieve your business goals. Stay adaptable, continually refine your approach, and embrace new opportunities to ensure long-term success. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Stay tuned for our next video. And as always, thanks for being the part of our community. See you next time.